Next example, it says, what is the value of f of 3 for the exponential function? All that means is plug in a 3 for the x. This number tells you what to plug in. So I have to follow order of operations. Order of operations says take care of my exponents first. So it's just 3 times 8, and 3 times 8 gives me 24. Example 4. Organizers of the Gasparilla Pirate Festival in Tampa estimate the parade attracts about 6% more people each year. This is our function that represents the number of people who attended the parade X years after 2020. What is the estimated number of people who attend the parade, in 2024? So we have to pay attention to this part. So this part says X years after 2020. So if this is 2024, my X is going to be 4 because it's 4 years after. Okay, so I take my original equation and I plug in a 4. Okay, I'm not plugging in 2024, I'm just plugging in a 4. Okay, so order of operations says I do this part first, so 1.06 raised to the 4th power, and then I multiply my answer by 300. Now, it's easiest if you put this in your calculator, get an answer, and then just times your answer by 300. So you're going to get 378.74. Since it's people, we can't have parts of people, so we're going to round to 379. Okay, example 5. A cell phone company estimates that a cell phone loses about 15% of its value each year after it is purchased. This is our function. It says X years after it's purchased. So what is the estimated decrease in value 5 years after the phone is purchased? So they're giving us our function. Plug in the 5. Again, I would do this part in my calculator, 0.85 to the 5th, get my answer, and then hit times 900. And I get 399.33. So this is money, right? So it's how much is it worth? So I want to keep 2 decimal places because that's cents. Okay? And it says, what is the estimated decrease in value? So if I decrease in value, this is what it is worth now. So how much did it decrease? It started at 900. So I'm going to subtract the original minus what it's worth now. So it decreased by $500.67. That is my final answer because it's a decrease in value.